Hello everyone and welcome back to the Wellbeing channel. This is your host Dr. Vedant, and today we'll be discussing a not very super exciting but very super important topic responsible for healthy people's healthy eyes, and that is eye infections. So we'll not hover around much and get straight to the point. So without any further delay, where we will be discussing tips to prevent eye infections and save you that hassle and discomfort, let's dive in. Tip number 1 to prevent eye infection is the most important, and that is hand washing. Rather, I would say effective hand washing. It goes a long way in preventing not only eye infections but all other type of infections in the body. But how many times would you wash your hands? Not the whole day, right? So these specific moments which you should ensure when you should wash your hands are before and after eating food, after using toilets, before and after visiting patients. Very important. If you have been to a funeral, it's better you take a bath and de-germ yourself. And last but not the least, you should be washing your hands while traveling. And if it is not feasible, use hand sanitizers. But it is proven that an effective hand wash with soap is better than using hand sanitizers. For further details, you can check out my video which was released quite earlier. Link is in the description below. Moving on to tip number 2 is avoid excessively rubbing your eyes, or in fact I would say just never rub your eyes. You know that satisfying feeling of a good rub, right? But there are many disadvantages of rubbing your eyes, one of which is eye infection. The others I'll be covering in the next video, so watch out for that. Moving on to point number 3 is maintaining contact lens hygiene. I tell you, contact lenses are the modern superhero for our eyes, but it is very important to be super careful with them. Do not use contact lenses ever without washing your hands. If you are using daily disposable contact lenses, make sure you dispose them off after single use. If you are using monthly disposable contact lenses, make sure you store them in a clean solution. Last but not the least, never share the solution of your contact lenses because germs get easily transmitted by them. God forbid, if you sleep in your contact lenses, then God save you, because organisms flourish very easily in these situations, and it might lead to severe cases like this, leading to vision loss. Point number 4, never share your eye makeup. Ladies and girls, I know borrowing that stunning mascara from your friend might be super tempting, but think of it this way. Would you share a toothbrush? Exactly. So please, your eyes deserve the same respect and care. Point number 5, never sleep with your makeup on. And in other words, remove that makeup before you hit the sack, or else the next day you might wake up with swollen, red, irritated and painful eyes, that is infected eyes. Tip number 6, when outdoors, use those UV protection sunglasses. The sun might seem a good friend, but trust me, it might be a sneaky ninja. And also dusts, pollens and so many bacteria or organisms in the environment can directly hit and enter your eyes, causing infection. So let their cool shades of yours tell you that yes, they are on a mission to protect your eyes. Point number 7 is all about taking frequent breaks from the screen. Almost every one of us is hooked to screen, even you as of now. So your eyes need that vacation, even for a few minutes. It's very important. I have emphasized this a lot many times in many videos previously. You can check it out in the description below how important it is to have screen breaks. Last tip is regular eye checkups. As you know, very underrated and very much ignored. Please visit your ophthalmologist, eye care professional or eye surgeon, whatever you call, regularly and book that appointment. Let them keep an eye on your eyes because they know the best, and this will help you prevent yourself from eye infections. So the crux of the entire monologue is that nothing dirty should be near your eyes, should go near your eyes, and you should be going for regular eye checkups. And also, if in case even after everything you get an eye infection, then don't worry. So that was it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up and push that subscribe button and never miss any eye-opening content. So until next time when we meet again, please take care of your eyes because they are fabulous and they are worth it. So until next time when we meet again, see you around.